Can you see yourself in the 2016 Honda Civic? This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Experience the perfection that is the Civic sedan. Smooth, efficient, sporty, aggressively powerful, loaded with the latest technology and refined style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It feels good to be in the sweet spot. The Honda Civic sedan will take you there. Take it out for a test drive today.